Hi Tom, Andrew Clark here from Qualified in Noise and Mess. Some time ago you asked for viewers' questions if they had a furniture restoration issue that they could do with some advice on. And my question is relating to this late 19th century carver, which is very stable, sturdy and comfortable. It has a few issues and my customer has asked me to sort them out. The main issue is that this chair has had a life. This floor is level and loads of bottoms wheedling and leaning back on two legs and such like made everything rather loose. So my question relates to not the top half. I can deal with any issues there and it seems pretty stable. My question relates to the legs. Like so many chairs and many that I've seen on your channel, over time people have done what you might call running repairs. And in this instance, the stretchers have come loose and somebody's put a nail in to tighten it up. So there's a nail there. There is a nail on, get closer, on that side. And turning it over, just turn it round as well so you can see, everybody can see, without banging the camera, which I've just done. We have a nail there, and saving the best till last, we have a whacking great screw. So my question relates to the ends of the stretchers. So nice and turned and pretty tactile. It'll have a dowel tenon on the end of there, which will plug into a mortise in the leg. And okay, with the nails, but specifically with this one, they've screwed right in. There's a split on the top, and the split on the bottom. That's fine, I can glue that up. But what would you recommend to provide a long-term repair for specifically this one, but the others that I find? What occurred to me was to, disassemble it, cut the tenon off that exists, such that it exists, drill out to a reasonable depth and make a new tenon end on the lathe, epoxy it in, and then glue it in, epoxy it into the leg. Now I know on traditional furniture one would use hide glue, and I'm completely in agreement with that, but this chair gets some use, and as you might be able to see here, there's been some significant amount of glue added in. So although hide glue is traditional, I think here we need to go for strength. What would you advise or recommend that I do here? Thank you very much for your time. Appreciate it, Tom.